How to keep Instagram story longer than 24 hours. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can um keep Instagram story longer than 24 hours. So if you want to keep your Instagram stories visible for more than default 24 hours, here are a few methods you can try. The first method is to archive your stories. Yes, Instagram allows you to archive your stories, which keeps them visible on your profile. So after posting a story, for example, um click on the stories page and then tap on the more option button by the bottom right corner. And then after tapping on the more option button, you can see some options like save photo, highlight, save, share as post, copy link, share, story settings. So just go ahead and click on story settings. And you're brought to the story settings page. On this page, you can see several options. Once you can see this, just go back to the main screen, click on the more option again, and then click on highlights. All right. So once this post is added or created as an highlight, um it should be saved permanently on your profile and it will last more than 24 hours. So yeah, you can just give it a name. It could be let's say for example data, and then click on add, and then just like that, this story would be made an highlight and then it should be saved on your profile for more than 24 hours. And then another thing you can do is by making use of third party applications. All right, some third party apps allows you to save and reshare old stories. By doing this, your content remains relevant for a longer duration. And so like I said, the story I posted has been saved on my profile and it will be here for as long as I want it, as long as I have not deleted the account or deleted the post or deleted the story. It will still be here on my profile even after 24 hours. So this is the major way you can make your Instagram story last longer than 24 hours. Thank you for watching and have a good day.